Flying V Arena in San Juan.
Look at that shot. That's so nice. That's so beautiful.
Coach Camille De Jesus and the rest of the Lady Spikers looking to defend their title this year. But we have a bunch of great challengers, breathing down their necks. Adamson would be one of them. Ateneo, great show yesterday. UST will always be in the mix, of course. And then National University looking to be part of the conversation. Mga tapikang ganyan sa net. Pineda.
Mahihirapan against DLSU.
Another quick, adjustment as Guevara. They send it to the other side. LaSalle with another chance. They go to Cha. Kinlog picking it up. Too close to the net. A long rally again.
Chance for Adamson.
Back set. Great dig. Great action.
Long rally.
Joust. And it's still up. Adamson with a chance. Pineda off speed. And it's still alive. Esperanza trying to fool everybody else. Another chance for LaSalle. They open up to Cha. Cha. That is wide. 1A rally.
Too much angle on that shot. Who's open hit, but really, this must be the longest rally so far.
Ayaw bumagsak ng bola. Ayaw patayin yung bola.
And then what's nice about that rally is itong Adamson. He fought it out at the net.
Yes.
Diba? Ang daming chances doon. Joust, and yet itong Adamson is really fighting it out.
Again, Coach Dulce always she gets players who are real fighters. Reyes now. The rookie with her first taste of UAP action and sends it to the net. So Adamson sticking here. 7, serving 9. Pao Soriano's back. Pineda and Makatuno. Faye Guevara this time.
It's actually the more experienced players of the Lady Falcons in front now for Coach Minerva.
Maraño using that off-speed touch.
Smart move on Maraño. As you see her looking at the other side of the net, going where no one was there. Easy point.
Cha Cruz serving for LaSalle. 10 serving 7. A free ball. Pineda takes that one. Chance for LaSalle again. Back set, Maraño again. Cross court.
Again, that angle of Maraño. The Lady Falcons not reading that one once more. Pangalawa niya na to on that side.
That used to be the trademark of Jack Alarca. Yung running behind, And taking it on the run.
Pag ganun yung bola, hindi pinapalit Ha? Okay, gising ha, gising. Huwag niyong palayuin ha, huwag niyong palayuin.
Okay, dapat ano yung bola, Mi?
Okay? Saan yung bola? Paano ba yung bola? Face the ball 45 degrees. Ha? Okay, tara.
4-point advantage for the Lady Spikers.
So LaSalle ahead by 4 here in the first set. But Adamson, despite the height disadvantage, is sticking to them, making it a very competitive first set so far. Highly entertaining. Esperanza. That's long. There's no touch.
Yeah, for the new player for LaSalle.
Galang.
That's Galang. Victonara Galang.
Angeles University.
Yun sabi ko sa'yo, recruitment. Coach really look for those potential players.
Yan yung pinag-usapan ni Anten kahapon, yung si Pablo sa National University. Galing Tarlac naman yung nahugod.
Through the years, you've really seen how recruitment works for a team.
Madugo na labanan. It's serious business already.
Well, kasi it's the start. I think it's really the root of what your team will become.
Yes, and the volleyball in the UAP is the centerpiece of second semester action, really. Basketball being the first in the first
That's
semester,
right,
right?
that's
So, talagang everybody, the schools, the universities, they really want to win now. It's not just about participating anymore.
Remember, before you can join, before a university can join
Correct.
the UAAP, kailangan may volleyball and
Yes,
basketball team.
that's
It's a requirement.
And ngayon, hindi lang basta galon as Maraño puts an end to that, pero may violation at the net.
Yes, it's a net violation clearly for Miguel Maraño. That last play. Look at this.
Couldn't control it.
Yep.
We've had a lot of long rallies, kaya kita mo naman ating score. Matagal na tayo naglalaro, 11-10 pa lang. But yeah, going back to your point, Mosey, again, it's not just about, oh, now we have to have a team so that we can be officially part of this or that. The schools are trying to position now to win. It's not just about participation and competing.
And they're even looking at, let's say, okay, I want to win this in 2012,
Correct.
2013.
Down the road.
Yes.
While
With the
staying
foresight.
competitive in the current
Yep.
year.
And using that year, diba?
Yes.
To go to that goal.
In essence nga, Mosey, parang yung current year mo, yung pangbenta mo rin dun sa mga rine-recruit mo. Tinan mo yung team natin ngayon,
Yeah.
di ba? Yung parang, you're gonna be part of
Next
that.
year or 2
Yes.
years after that, it's going to be you.
Aside from, of course, the education that, the top-notch education that the schools
Yeah, that's right.
will provide, or they advertise as a service error by Esperanza. Makes it. Oh, pangalawa, tama. 11 serving 13 now. Adamson hanging around. And it is Jennifer Macatuno on Tubong San Pablo. Underhand set. Soriano sends it back. Here's Galang again, uses the net, and is aided by it to get a point.
Galang on that point. Proceed once again. So, putting the cape of the net.
So 14, serving 11, Abigail Maraño. That familiar serve. Taken by Cha Cruz from the back. A free ball for Adamson here. Soriano, and her first clean attack, but that's why.
Soriano will really be a big part of this Adamson squad. She should take in a lot of
Yes.
points, diba? Parang kung nawala si Angela Binting, it's going to be Pao Soriano now, and of course with the help of Kinlog
Di pa nga natin
and
nakikita
Pineda.
si Zapanta, Mosey, ha? Oh!
Oh,
Great!
great dig.
Yeah, reactionary dig by Vasquez. Back set. Oh, then a great block. Collaborated by Kinlog and Soriano.
You know, that gets to show you that blocking is really timing.
Not just height.
Ang ganda na ng pinapakita ng Lady Falcons in this first set, especially in blocking. Look at the tall players of De La Salle. You would think that their angles will be really tough to block, but the Lady Falcons has been handling that well.
Combination play. Buhay pa to. Pagonon. Esperanza. Back set. Kumabaw. Wide.
Trying to go
Fingertips it.
down the line. No snapping of the wrist. Gumabaw still trying to feel her way in on its 74th season. Although kanina may down the line point na rin siya.
Adamson serving 13, serving 50. Esperanza. Quick. To Reyes.
Tip by Reyes.
Reyes getting that point.
Lasal doing well enough to keep themselves separated from Adamson. Back in a moment.